AI is reshaping our interaction with technology, creating a new digital landscape. From virtual assistants to creative partners, AI tools are everywhere. But which one is right for you? Let's dive in. Meet ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Copilot. Each offers unique capabilities, transforming how we work and communicate. Knowing their strengths helps you choose the right one. ChatGPT excels in natural conversations. You can talk to it like a human, ask follow-up questions, and get clear, contextual responses. It's also very strong in writing and content creation, such as emails, scripts, summaries, and ideas. For learning, ChatGPT explains topics step by step, making complex concepts easier to understand. It also supports coding and problem solving, helping with writing code, fixing errors, and explaining logic. In addition, ChatGPT supports images and voice, allowing you to generate images and chat using voice mode. For example, ChatGPT can be used for language practice. You can speak naturally instead of typing, and ChatGPT responds in real time. This is especially useful for language learning, like practicing pronunciation or asking how a sentence sounds. In this demo, the speaker talks to ChatGPT and shows how it responds instantly. Gemini stands out with its creative capabilities for artists and creators who are seeking inspiration. It can help generate and edit content, support writing and studying, and answer questions about what you see on screen. It also connects smoothly with Google Apps and can access real-time information through Google Search. For example, Gemini 3 is designed to be very strong in multimodality and high-level reasoning. It can understand text, images, and video together and apply advanced reasoning across them. This allows Gemini 3 to support a wide range of tasks, from creative work and analysis to planning and execution. It's also deeply integrated with Google apps such as Gmail, Docs, Drive, Maps, and Google Search. Through Google Search, Gemini 3 can access real-time information, enhancing generative answers and interactive experiences. In the Gemini app, it helps with learning, creating, planning, and even analyzing complex videos. For developers, Gemini 3 Pro is available via API, enabling more agent-like and automated workflows. Claude is especially strong in reasoning and data analysis. It can break down complex problems and transform large datasets into clear, meaningful insights. Because of this, Claude is well suited for business analysis, research, and data-driven decision-making. It also produces structured and reliable outputs, which makes it useful for reports and professional workflows. For example, Claude excels in data analysis and business insights. In this demo, Claude first builds a scatter plot to visualize relationships in the data. Then it analyzes the results and generates a structured report with key insights. This makes Claude especially useful for data-driven decision-making. Copilot is a versatile AI assistant designed to support everyday work. It helps with coding, learning, and daily tasks, all within familiar Microsoft tools. For example, it works seamlessly with Microsoft 365 tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Copilot helps turn ideas into real outputs, drafting documents, analyzing data, and creating presentations faster. By handling routine tasks, it allows users to focus on what really matters: innovation and decision-making. Comparing these AIs reveals distinct strengths: ChatGPT for conversation, Gemini for creativity, Claude for analysis, and Copilot for productivity. Each serves different needs and industries. When choosing an AI tool, consider your specific requirements. Whether it's enhancing communication, creativity, data analysis, or coding, aligning AI capabilities with your goals is key. By exploring AI tools, you'll enhance your skills and productivity. Embrace the future of technology and make informed choices that align with your goals. Join the AI revolution and transform how you work and create. By leveraging AI, you'll unlock new possibilities and drive innovation in your field.